Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ladies and gentlemen, law plays a very important role in the life of every citizen. It helps maintain peace and order in society. Without law, there would be confusion, injustice, and violence. Law is like a set of rules that everyone must follow. These rules are made by the government for the good of the people. In India, we follow the Constitution, which is the highest law of the land. It tells us about our rights and duties. It also guides the government on how to work properly. All other laws must follow the Constitution. If any law goes against it, the courts can cancel it. The judiciary or court system helps people get justice. If someone breaks the law or does something wrong, the affected person can go to court. The judge listens to both sides, looks at the facts, and gives a fair decision. This is how justice is done. Every person, whether rich or poor, has the right to be heard in court. This is called the right to a fair hearing. It is part of natural justice. A person must be given a chance to speak and defend themselves before any action is taken against them. Law also protects us from misuse of power. For example, if a government officer acts unfairly, we can go to court. The court will make sure that the law is followed properly. In our daily life, law helps in many ways. It protects our life, property, and freedom. It also helps in business, education, and public services. Even traffic rules are part of the law. If someone drives too fast or breaks a signal, they can be fined. This helps prevent accidents and keeps roads safe for all. The police, the courts, and lawyers are all parts of the legal system. Each of them has an important role to play in making sure the law is followed fairly. In conclusion, law is necessary for the smooth running of society. It gives us safety, fairness, and justice. Everyone must respect the law and follow it. Only then can we live in peace and harmony. Thank you.